Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jared with West Coast River Outlaws, and you guys are about to watch a really cool new video series where we unbox stuff from my buddy Drew Fab. Stick around. So if you're a jet boater or a fanatic hot boater like myself, you probably have heard of Drew Dominic in our hot boat industry. He runs a company called Drew Fab, which actually has been around since 2010 and specializes in not only hot boat parts such as the jewelry that you're looking at here, but also a bunch of stuff with Titan clutch. A couple of other sponsors and vendors that he uses as well. Check out his website. It's drewbuilt.com. So as I mentioned before, we're getting ready to jump into a new video series under our YouTube for West Coast River Outlaws, and simply put, it's unboxing all of the Drew Fab parts. It's amazing what he can do, and man, you guys, if you haven't seen it already, really need to just check this stuff out. So we're gonna dive right into this and take a look at some of the products that he supplies. One of them is this phenomenal rail kit that you can see is just blinging like crazy. And the awesome thing too is, in addition to these videos, we're going to be showing you how-to videos on installing this. So for example, a lot of you guys have probably seen, we've been working on Eric Briner with Fast Loud Photography. We've been working on his hardened marine, and the how-to video for this will be in his hardened marine with his fresh motor that's sitting right back there. That you guys don't get to see that yet. We're talking about the rail kit. So anyways, let's talk about what this thing is. I've actually got a cheat sheet here because let's just be real. I'm not a machinist. I can't talk the lingo like Drew can, but he did coach me on a few things and I did take a few notes, all right? So the Drew Fab kit is 100% complete. His plate material is made of 50-52 aluminum, and the flywheel covers, rails, and feet are made out of 60-61 aluminum. The nice shiny finish that you guys are looking at though, this is actually sanded, believe it or not, at a 200 grit and then anodized, clear anodized. And that's how you're getting the beautiful shiny finish to this thing. In addition to that, you guys can also see here, we'll pick up one of the angle aluminum here. You can see that he's able to put really nice, almost like an engraving inside of some of these products. And you see that in the industry a lot, and Drew is one of those guys. It's killer what he's doing. They're using a ball mill to basically come in here and engrave this out or cut it out. And then it goes into anodizing and comes back looking just fresh like that. The other cool thing is he does put part numbers in most of his parts as well, so it's easy to track what you're getting and that you got the right item. In addition to that, one of the things that he offers is anodizing, right? Powder coating is really popular and common in our industry as well as a lot of other industries. However, anodizing you hear about, but not as much. It's awesome looking. I wish that you guys could see it in person. But the nice thing is you can do a clear anodizing, you can do a black anodize, you can do a bunch of different colors, most of the colors generally speaking, in some form of an anodizing. And that's an easy, simple $200 additional charge. So it's not crazy expensive to get all of your products from Drew Fab one color anodized. Another really cool thing that I like about his products is everything is pre-drilled, right? Again, going back to the angle aluminum, you can see that it is pre-cut and gives you a little bit of adjustment fore and aft to move your motor fore and aft in the boat for driveline purposes. And speaking of driveline purposes, we'll talk about his feet. These feet are really killer. You can tell that he put a lot of quality into this. The areas for where the bolts sit are recessed, and honestly, like, it fits really good. Hides really nice. But his feet are cut at a 4-degree angle back, right? And the reason why he's doing that is to help give you that lean back on the motor a little bit, to help with that driveline angle again. So he put a lot of thought into these products. The backing plates are equally nice with the finish, and you can tell that he smoothed out the edges on and whatnot on the outside of this. It looks really good, man. I mean, the attention to detail is there, and I just absolutely love it. Comes with all the hardware that you see here. It's going to give you all the stainless steel Allens, as well as the lock nuts and the washers in order to install this kit. So there's something unique that Drew utilizes that I haven't really seen in the industry yet, and I love it because it's very precise and it allows this bond of customer service that you can only get by talking to your machinist. It's a really big deal. I love it. So he has an engine mount sheet for every rail kit application that gets sold. That engine mount kit is specific to your boat, your motor, and where you want it sitting inside of your hull. It's pretty legit. So how it works is he sends you an email and you get a PDF attachment, and you basically can print it out and you fill out each little box, and it's as simple as, do you have a tunnel boat or do you have a V-bottom or gull wing? Okay, so you need to answer these questions. If you have a tunnel, you need to answer these questions if you have a V-bottom or a gull wing. So we have done that and actually are putting this to the test to see if these dimensions actually work and if it is as easy as it's supposed to be. I'm really excited. I can't wait to get this thing going, and it's just gonna make Eric Briner's boat unbelievable. I mean, it already looks top notch, but with some quality clear anodized stuff like this, it's just gonna be incredible. There is one more item that I haven't shown you guys because I didn't really have a spot to put it, but it's my favorite piece because it's just blinging and legit. Look at this thing. Ah. Boom. This is the flywheel or flex plate cover. This is the river or lake version. He's got two. There's the race version and the lake version. The race version is obviously going to have cutouts to keep this thing a little bit lighter weight. It shaves off a couple of pounds. Obviously, it's going to have the beautiful design or engravement or whatever you want to call it in it, and obviously it's clear anodized. You can, again, like I said, get it in black, which also looks incredible. I've had my hands on that. That's just insane. And the great thing too is this one's cut out for a standard style low mount starter. So for those guys that have a big block Chevy or a big block Ford application, that starter sits kind of in the bottom area of the bilge. Well, some tunnel boats have a issue fitting a starter, even if it's a mini torque starter in that area. So Drew actually gives you the option, along with many others, to put a top mount starter or a bottom mount traditional style starter like this. It's really cool. He did an amazing job in it, and I seriously can't wait to get this project going in Eric Briner's boat. So there you have it, our first unboxing video for Drew Fab products. I love these products. They look so good. I've got to see them in the black anodized as well as the clear anodized, and they just both look supreme. It really just brings the next level up into the hot boat scene and how you can just make your stuff look blingin'. So Drew, nice job. I'm super honored and privileged to be able to do this for you, man. You know, I can't wait to show you guys what we're putting this in. I mean, I keep talking about Eric Briner's boat and what it is. Well, it's a 19-foot hardened marine Caribbean, and the color scheme is just beautiful. And we're almost done with the motor, the new one, and we're gonna put that in all freshly painted, redone, new bearings, new rings, new seals, and this is what it's gonna be sitting on. So I cannot begin to explain how excited I am, right? So we're gonna have a link below that you guys can get this kit, and actually right now, because you just sat here and listened to me blabber for, I don't know, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we're gonna give you a 10% discount code, and you guys can find that in the comments below. So once again, if you liked what you saw, click like, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below. When I get another box in the mail, I'll make another video and I'll share it with you guys. Till then, we'll see you next week when we're installing this bad boy with Mike Chadwick down in his place. Later.